Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Winnie, and Winnie is plenty. So today I'm gonna get those little boogers back for pranking me and talking over me on our Taco Tuesday. So you seen the title and you seen in the descriptions. Today I'm gonna be pranking Shantae and Nathaniel by pulling the Ratchet prank. Yes, you heard it. That's why I got all this get up on and I look the way that I do. So I'm gonna get them back. So guys, stay tuned because it's gonna be interesting.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. The way that your body is rocking, you like how I do. Ooh, ooh, yeah. I hope you know I'm in the mood.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Winnie, and Winnie is plenty. Today on my channel, I got my girl
Shantae.
You know your name? And my boy
Nathaniel.
here with me today. And as you can see, we're gonna be doing these rap snacks for y'all. We gonna taste these and see how they taste. I don't know. They may taste good. I don't know. They just, you know, they'll put people's faces on bags and want everybody to sell them, you know, for the person. That don't mean our food is good. But, okay. We also drinking Fagos with our snack today. And I got a clear water, y'all. So, we're going to rate these between 1 and 10. Each one that we taste. And that's it. We're going to show y'all which ones we got, though. This is Migos barbecue corn. I hope y'all can see that. And Romeo barbecue corn. The Migos popcorn. Look at them. I'm not gonna say all these chips. I'm not gonna say all these chips. No, I'm really ready just to eat them, you know, taste them and stuff. I don't want to. They'll see them as we go through. Yeah, they put them over here. Put them over here. Cause I don't want, like I said, I don't want to. I don't want to taste them all right now like that. Let's go. These are. Look how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You wanted me to say all them?
You can.
I'm not gonna do that. Here go your drink, Shantae. Here go my drink. And there go y'all. Yours. Okay, which one y'all want to try first?
I would like to try.
How long you gonna take to choose one, girl?
It's gonna take a second. What's going on with you? Your get up
Waiting on her.
and how you and you're acting like way different.
No. Shut up, we gonna take these right here. Okay. We're gonna try the Romeo barbecue chips. We're gonna work on you all day, girl. I'm with myself. I'm with myself. Okay. These is a Barbie Queen with my honey Romeo Miller flavored potato chips. Wow. I think you just wasted some of it. But what you rate them is, Nathaniel?
I give those a 6
What you recommend, honey?
A 6.
Well, they alright. I give them like a 5. Okay, Nathaniel, you choose the next one, honey. Which one you choose?
Cardi B's.
He would choose a hot one.
What do you like hot ones?
No, not all hot stuff. You don't know what I'm.
We chose the Cardi B hot cheese popcorn.
Okay, honey, give me these. Reading.
I was just reading it.
This ain't no hour video. We don't need to read it all night long.
Do you take some time to rest?
What?
Nothing.
Okay, now, yeah, what you think, honey?
I'll give it a 7.
I give it a 3.
I'll give it a 5.
I didn't taste that popcorn. Okay, now it's my turn. Winnie in the house. Winnie in the house. I'm about to choose them chips. Oh, I'm about to choose them chips. Them rat snacks. Them rat snacks. Oh, them rat snacks.
Are you gonna choose them? Yeah, you said you don't have time to wait. Yes, you'll have time. We don't have time.
I'm getting to it. Okay. I chose Lil Boosie. We set it off in here. Set it off in here. Set it off. Boosie. Slow your roll, baby. Okay. Lil Boosie, Louisiana Heat potato chips. Okay, let's see what Lil Boosie talking about. Oh, they are ruffle like.
Yeah, because they say wave.
Oh, no. I'm not all of that. What you get?
A 6.
A 3. Girl, they ain't that high.
Yes, they are. No, they're not.
You give them a what?
6.
You really rate these high, baby. I give them about a 4. I thought they were going to be more enthusiastic than what they were. To be real. Honey, Corona.
I'm out of Corona.
I don't want to have it either.
I don't have it.
Well, don't see it. Shantae, what did you think about these chips? You just...
I said a 3.
Oh, okay. Who turned this to pick some now?
Mine. Sean taste.
Okay. What pick one, Shantae? Why you... No talking at the table.
I would like to choose.
We gonna go to sleep before she choose something.
Okay, I like to choose this one.
Oh, okay, what is it?
Really hard. Did you have to snatch it out my hand?
Some more barbecue stuff. I love it when they call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air. Use a true player. From the Himalayas, yeah. Y'all don't know about that for your fan. Or for your fan. Okay. They smell good. What they said these was? The cookout barbecue sauce. You're just not gonna talk past me like that though, like I'm not right here. Them I.
It tastes like regular kind of barbecue chips. I'll give it a
But
4.
see, it say cookout. Yeah, they kind of like cookout. I give it a 5.
I give it a 4.
Okay.
I'll give it a 10.
Oh, you like them? I can see because you ate a whole lot of them.
My turn too.
Come on, honey. Speed this up.
I want cheese ones.
Some more barbecue kind of chips. You choose what you want, honey.
No.
So we're gonna eat barbecue too.
They got a lot of barbecue chips.
Rep Snacks, Collie B, Cheddar Barbecue. Let's see what these taste like. Let me guess. Barbecue.
You got a lot of barbecue chips. So we really can't choose. What?
What is that noise?
What?
You need to stop looking at them. Oh, those are pretty good.
Thank you.
Boy. Well, you better drink your drink.
I know.
I told you about that coronavirus.
It's not corona, it's just that it's hot.
Since I go over to get my mask out of my purse, he gonna put this mask on. He not gonna sit and be coughing all over me and give me coronavirus, honey. Coronavirus is getting real. Coronavirus is getting real.
Need a mask.
Coronavirus is getting real.
I don't see no mask.
It's a blue one in there, honey. He need that mask. He need that mask. He need that mask. Cause I don't want none of his germs. Put that on, honey. Put the mask on, Nathaniel, until it's time to eat another chip. Because I'm not gonna be sitting here, honey, and you gonna be, I rate these. Look, you coughing now.
No, I'm not. I'm laughing.
Honey, we practice safe, you know, we hygiene and all of that. So we need to show them and the subscribers that we practicing good coronavirus. I rate these an 8. They're really good. These are really good. These some good ones.
I'll rate them a 10.
What you rate them, coronavirus?
I'm not coronavirus.
Why are you trying to spread it?
I'm the thing. And I rate them. God. You must be rocking on the wrong side of the bed.
Yeah, you must.
Boy, you rate these chips, honey.
I give them a 5.
Okay, whose turn is it to pick something?
Yours. It's hers.
I'm gonna pick nothing. Oh, I'm gonna pick these right here. Migos. We gonna walk it like we talk it. Walk it like we talk it. Walk it like we talk it. Oh, walk it like we talk it.
Maybe we can go for one.
The white cheddar with a dab of ranch. What?
Maybe we can go first.
Why?
Cause you went first all these others.
And I'm gonna go first all the time because it's my show.
That's your little
Or do you need to mix it?
No, you put it on.
Yeah, a little.
Yeah, you have to use a little.
You don't know what Ratchet is, honey.
I got an experience of Ratchet.
I see.
Them are good. Here you go. Those are really good.
Yeah, they're good.
Honey, y'all tripping. Come on. What you rate them to?
I like rate them a 7.
I rate them. It was my turn, honey. Don't. Boo boo. Like I said, I give them a 10. These are one of my favorites. What do you give them, Shantae?
I'll give them a I'll give them a 7.
Okay, who turn is it to pick? We got 4 more bags, y'all. 4 more bags, y'all. 4 more bags, y'all. 4 more bags, y'all. 4 more bags.
Excuse me. Thank you. I like to choose these ones. The Cardi B's ones that has honey, drip, butter, popcorn.
I couldn't see them. Gotta kind of have them right there because the light is a glare. There you go. The honey drip. Got this drip. I got this sauce. I'm a boss. Mmm. What's the other one?
Can we have some?
Them is fat.
Thank you.
When I come into your city, bling bling. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. Bling bling bling. They like to hear me sing, so I was trying to sing for them. Is you gonna eat them out? Talk about me.
I'll rate that a 3. What do you rate it?
I don't give them better. They good.
You got lipstick on your nose.
And I'm still fat. I'm still fat.
I'll give them a 10. Your turn?
My turn to choose one.
No, your turn to rate it.
I did. I said I ate.
Okay, now your turn.
No, it's my turn.
Choose
these. The mangoes.
Mangoes.
Yeah, mangoes.
Who is the mango?
The amigos.
The amigos. No, he didn't mess y'all name up like that. Did he just call y'all mangoes? The amigos. Adios, amigos.
Mangoes.
Coronavirus.
First of all, I don't got the coronavirus.
Okay, we're gonna eat these sour cream with a dab of ranch, Migos flavored potato chip.
Can you go take a rest?
I was just dancing. Do you have lipstick?
Girl, this stage
You have
on.
lipstick right here.
Good, don't worry about my lipstick. Them laughing.
Thank you.
Ooh, what was I thinking when they made them? Okay, what you think of them, the thing? Cause she like them obviously.
1.
I won't even give them that. Okay, who picks the next chips?
You.
We have 2 left, guys.
2 barbecue chips.
And both of them are freaking barbecue chips. Are they?
Yeah. No, this one is honey.
Honey jalapeno. We're gonna try the honey jalapeno first. The Notorious B.I.G. honey jalapeno. Boy, you keep telling me what I need. And I'm going to tell you what you going to get.
Dang! Yeah, you really need that.
Your daddy needs it now.
He's at work.
So far, what has been your least favorite?
We'll do that once we finish the other one. Don't be rushing me. Pull up in the truck. Are we gonna move on to the next one, or we gonna sit here and eat these and watch Ratchet eat them? Obviously, we know she like them.
Okay, let's give them a rating.
I rate them. I give them about a 3, maybe a 4, probably a 5. I say a 5.
2. Shantae?
I like them.
Okay, what you rate?
9. A 9.
Okay. So our final bag. We finally to the end. We about to tell y'all about these people, which we call these men.
Mongos.
He call them Mongos, but they named them Migos. I don't know what he say, but he know how this go. Say,
Mongos. Mongos.
No.
don't stun on my shame. Don't stun on my
can't be
shame.
boss.
Okay, whatever. We about to try these barbecue queen with my honey with the dab of ranch. They like a lot of dab of ranch, don't they? Amigos.
Dab of ranch.
Stop. Just stop. Go first. And take that outfit.
My outfit is fine.
Not?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't even want no more of that. They Migos, y'all tripping, man. Shouldn't all these different flavors be mixed together? I don't know who told y'all that was gonna taste good. And I bet you they making y'all flavors nasty on purpose. Sound like a little haterade to me.
That's why we call them the Mongos.
I'm not calling them people no Mongos. Their group name is Amigos. Okay, which was your favorite?
Go with this one.
Show them to everyone. These were Nathaniel's favorite child.
Okay, Shantae, which ones are your favorite?
I like all of them.
How do you like all of them?
Of course,
Wait,
she
no.
would like all of them.
I like this one right here, and this one, and what is it? This one. Wait, no, that's not. That's the first one we did. This one.
She like Lil Romeo. My favorite was these ones out of all of the ones we had.
Okay, now we're gonna post our least favorite. Go past
My least favorite was the one she eating right there. That was disgusting.
It has to be between these two.
Both of them nasty.
Yeah.
No, I like both of them. I like
This is the only one they made good.
I don't like that
The
one.
popcorn.
Yeah, the popcorn is good. The
I don't
popcorn
like
is
that.
good.
I don't like that.
Well, la 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 la
We can't deal with this. We're done. We're done.
I'm
We're
done.
done. We're done. We're done. We can't deal with this.
Well, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video down below. See you later.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. The way that your body is rocking, you like how I do. Ooh, ooh, yeah. I hope you know I'm in the mood.